Your younger back and shoulder posture corrector comes with a carrying bag, an easy to read instructional card, and the back and shoulder posture corrector. The back and shoulder posture corrector is as easy as putting on a backpack. First, locate the younger name and make sure that the padded circle is below. Then, reach one arm through just like a backpack. On. Reach your other arm through the loop. Slide it on. There you go, just like a backpack. And then you have your soft underarm pads right here. You put it right underneath your underarm to prevent chafing or discomfort. Both sides adjust, perfect. And the next step is to put your thumbs through your front adjustable straps and pull outward softly with the angle of the posture corrector until it's to your liking. All right. And to take it off or to loosen, you just use your thumbs, lift up on the buckles right here. And you lift up very gently. And now it's loosened. Or to take it off, put your arm through one side first, and you take off the other side. It's as easy as that. And use this every single day and watch your posture get much better.